Okay, so what you're gonna need is you're gonna need your vest, your jacket, your pair of pants. You're going to want to have a sleeve piece, scissors, pencil, ruler. So what we start out with is making a sleeve. These are the 3 measurements you're gonna need. I will link the video below that I used. You can also use a existing sleeve that you already have on jackets and just trace it over some parchment paper, some tracing paper as well, and then you're just going to cut out this piece. You could make it as long or as short as you want, as wide or as narrow as you want, and you're going to want to make sure it matches up to your vest piece. So next you want to cut out your sleeves with your pants. So I have this little outside pocket on these pants, so I'm gonna actually take it out from the inside part of the pant, but it doesn't really matter. You just want to make sure everything lines up correctly, everything is even, everything is flat, and you just cut it out to whatever your piece is. I put this piece of cardboard in between because I'm using a rotary cutter, so I just don't want to cut through because your front and back curves are different sizes. Okay, so you're just going to do it for both legs. Then you're going to take your piece and you're going to just cut out the excess fabric. Unless you want your sleeves that open, then by all means you can skip this step, but I don't, so I will be cutting it out. Make sure to do both sides and then to sew those seams closed against right sides together of the fabric when you're sewing across to close up the sleeve. So just flip it inside out and sew it. Okay, so once you have both of your sleeves, you're going to take your vest, you're going to flip it inside out, and you're going to pin the opening of the sleeves to the opening of the vest. If everything was measured correctly, it should line up pretty perfectly. If not, you could put some pleats or anything like that. Make sure you pin it all the way around and just attach your sleeves to your jacket. This is what the final product looks like. I think it looks so cute. I added a little pocket here from the back of the jeans, and then this little thing was also on pants, so I just added it there. Cute little detail.